meat producers, processors, retailers, and all the personnel working in the slaughterhouse or the poultry processing plant. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to give some suggestions to ensure the safety of the meat and meat products. So come inside. So make sure that you will ensure all the personnel working in the processing plants are routinely checked for any COVID-19 symptoms, and ensure that you will use the air curtains, strip curtains, and before you enter the processing plant, make sure that you remove your slippers or you will use the shoe covers before you enter the processing plant. Okay, so now you need to rinse your hand with a fragrance-free soap solution. Followed by hand drying using a hand dryer. So after this, you need to sanitize your hand using a disinfectant. So disinfect your hand before you enter the processing plant. Now, with all the protective cloths and your hand sanitized, you are ready to enter inside the processing plant. Make sure that you switch on the fly catcher lights, and inside the processing plant, enough distancing is maintained between the personnel working in the plant. And now, once you are inside the processing plant, make sure that all the personnel working in the processing plant will wear the hairnet, the mask, the full sleeves gloves, and the food grade gloves if required, and also the shoe covers. So after all these precautions, how you are going to sanitize your plant surfaces and equipment is a big challenge. So either you can routinely use 10 to 15% sodium hypochlorite solution at 80 to 100 ppm concentration, or you can use the hydrogen peroxide 15% plus 0.2% peroxyacid acid combination at 25 ml in 1 liter of water for sanitization of the table surfaces or the floor or the equipment. You can also use 0.3% triclosan solution readily available for sanitizing the surfaces of the equipment. Alternatively, you can also use the quaternary ammonium compound, the brand name Backside, at 50 ml in 1 liter of solution for sanitization of the equipment and surfaces. If you want to sanitize your processing plant and the personnel working inside, you can use the defouling machine by using hydrogen peroxide, peroxyacid acid, 25 ml in 1 liter of water. So you can load into it, and it takes approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour to sanitize your processing plant. And now, after this, if you are slaughtering the animal or if you are cutting the meat product, ensure that you sterilize the knife by dipping inside or immersing inside the hot water at 85 degrees centigrade for a few seconds. You need to cook your meat or the meat products at a minimum core temperature of 75 degrees centigrade to ensure the safety from any bacteria or even the COVID-19 virus. So you can use the probe thermometer to ensure the safety of your cooked product. So either the raw meat or the fresh meat or the cooked meat need to be packed using the low density polyethylene packaging material or the polyester trays. Make sure that you will seal the product before you sell. Do not sell the loose or unpacked meat. So all the meat and meat products need to be stored in a refrigerator which is maintained at 4 degrees centigrade, or the freezer which is maintained at minus 18 degrees centigrade or below. So dear friends, let us all work together to ensure the safety of meat and meat products to the consumer. Thanks for watching the video.